Filipino. And the talents of the Filipino, even local. Kasi yung nakikita naman natin sa Pilipinas is really more of, we're trying to translate it here and keep and continuing those roots and make that strong here. So, minsan nga, sinasabi, ginagaya natin yung sa Pilipinas, but it should be the other way around. Ngayon kasi dito, we have, very rich talent here in Canada. I just saw Canada's Got Talent in YouTube or something where, it was highlighted, it was a Filipino group that got through the eliminations. So, ang laki ng talent dito. So, it's not anymore true na kung gusto natin ng totoong talent, kailangan pumunta pa ng Pilipinas na pumunta dito. So, that's why we're so excited on this year activities because really it's to highlight the local talents here. Kami, kumaga icing lang kami sa cake. We're just the icing on the cake on the artista because, we'll have that in. But we promise you as well because of the full support that we have for PIDC, we're going to really be bringing excellent and very entertaining talents here. Surprise yun kasi siyempre inaayos pa namin yung schedules doon. But definitely, Rosary Escanio, it's our marketing in ABS that she's working on that as well. But again, congratulations to PIDC. Congratulations also for your partnership with God Kalina this year, and we look forward to really a very, very good year. Thank you.
Toronto, that we have abundance of talents in Toronto or in Canada. So why do we import from the Philippines?
I can answer that. Well, there are 300,000 Filipinos in the GTA and growing. A large group of those Filipinos who are still arriving are very connected to the culture that they have left in the Philippines, and we want to serve everyone. Canada is a young country. Historically, the Filipinos have only come here since the late 1950s, 60s. So I think that we're in a very exciting time in that we have 2 or 3 generations of Filipinos who have grown up here. At the same time, we do not cut off our roots from the Filipino homeland. So we serve everyone in our community by importing a few talents and supporting our own.
Yeah, but I still want him to answer the question.
Refer to the moderator. Control the questions. One person at a time.
Your question was to who? Mr. Amara?
Yeah.
But that's a really good question there. Kasi as of now, what we see here is that the Filipinos in Canada really are evolving in their own. There's a mix of new values that come in, which are not really necessarily bad values. It's just really now the Filipino-Canadian values is really evolving. So what we have here is that that value is still true Pinoy. But at the same time, as what Lilac said, there is really that connection need. Kasi as of now, hindi mo pa rin mawawala yung connection need from home. That people, especially the newcomers, because I think we still have a lot of newcomers that come in and attend our events. So to some degree, meron silang need na I want to see some connection at home. And in our small part, that's what we have in terms of our broadcast capabilities. Right. But again, it still remains the fact that there's a lot of, I still say there's a lot of talent that's coming here really, and it's evolving as well. In fact, ang wish rin namin in TFC, because we're also worldwide, if we can feature these local talents in our broadcast so that we can feature them worldwide. So that's what I mean about, developing these talents here.